你知唔知道 bitch 呢一個字其實唔一定用嚟鬧人？首先 bitch 呢一個字本身嘅意思咧就係狗乸，咁我相信大家都知道佢用嚟鬧女人嘅用法，個意思有啲似廣東話嘅八婆。My old supervisor was really a bitch。如果鬧男士咧，我哋會用狗乸個仔，即係 son of a bitch。呢個反而有啲似廣東話嘅賤人。That son of a bitch took all her money。但係原來喺日常生活裏面，外國人會用呢一個字咧去表達一啲感想嘅。佢哋會用佢嚟表達一樣嘢好艱辛、好困難、好痛苦，亦即係話嗰樣嘢要好大努力去克服嘅。個用法咧就係某樣事情 be a bitch。如果我哋想表達嘅係一個行為，即係一個動詞 is a bitch，咁咧記住要加個 ing。大部分人都覺得星期一好難捱，Mondays are a bitch for most people。剝智慧齒真係好慘痛，Wisdom tooth extractions are a bitch。週末揾車位真係好困難，Finding parking spaces on weekends is a bitch。我哋呢一句説話咧，亦都可以配搭 to 加一個動詞，代表呢一個行為係好難去做。濕疹係好難醫治嘅，Eczema is a bitch to treat。佢手字好難去理解，His handwriting is a bitch to read。清洗呢部機器好麻煩，This machine is a bitch to clean。最後呢一句説話咧，亦都可以配搭但是，即係 but 去帶出好嘅方面嘅。套運動係好辛苦，但係非常有效。The workout is a bitch, but it's really effective。呢度啲人好友善，但個工作量真係好誇張。The people here are nice, but the workload is a bitch。英文時態好麻煩，但係佢哋係呢一個語言好關鍵嘅一部分。English dentists are a bitch, but they're an essential part of the language。哈，大家唔知你覺得有啲乜嘢 is 或者 are a bitch 呢？